Here, Trooperslane station level crossing in, Carrickfergus cut around. That alarm's on, seems to be a change on a wee bit. Time is 15:47 and it's 15 minutes to 15:45. Northern Irish Road from Griffithorshire to Carrickfergus. Yo, do you want to know about something?
What?
Do you know this little wee hut spinny right here?
Hmm?
Do you know that right there?
Yeah.
Do you want to know what that's for? It's for in case of the crossing fails.
Right.
This thing here. So basically they would just open the key to get that open.
They open that up and put the bars up until...
Yeah, do you remember to say like a level crossing that's called bars number 2? That's it over there. If you can see a crossing over there, yeah. That's bars number 2, but I don't think you can get into it though because it's in some farmland, so it is. Some field. Because there's no way into it. 15:45 is not delayed, so it's probably 15:40 now, which is a heavily hyper delay. Oh. Or the lawn harbor, I don't know. There it is. Such a long time, I meant to say, not Carrickfergus, long time. 3013. Freezing one for the long